I'm going to formally send to you through Professor Atul Khosla. But if any of you would like to share.
Yeah, I mean,
it's like first hand, because we'll try to tune.
Come there.
Sure, sir.
It's your, wherever you're going to research.
So, at the outset, Major Mehta and Major Kaushik and my colleagues, day before yesterday, Mr. Narendra talked to me whether he will come. I said no. Said why? I am preoccupied somewhere. I was to go out to Shimla for personal engagement somewhere. Then yesterday night again thought I should go. I talked to the person in Shimla, can we meet on Sunday? He said yes, we can. Then I decided, okay, I'll definitely go. So as far as the session has gone, the enlightenment which I think I have got, it is very superb, it is excellent. No doubt I know something about cognition. I had come to know about cognition when I did my doctorate. My doctorate was on child development. And naturally I had to go all the theoretical jargons which I had never been earlier. I had to study that. And since then this was the second time that I had to see that what is there. But really, though I had known about cognition, but I did not know about meta. It was metacognition. Only I had seen in the program that it will be thinking, it will be metacognition, then thinking about thinking. So really looking this terminology into my mind, I had come to know how I can put into use the metacognition. Because the applicability part of the theoretical knowledge I had earlier, I think I have been enriched. So may be true to my colleagues as well. But enrichment once, some part of this would stay. I think if again we go back to psychology, if we go back to Thorndike's theory of reinforcement we again need, and I think majority of our faculty members, the Saturday being the off day, they are not here. Some are busy in admissions outside this university. That may be one of the reasons. Another reason seems to be the rain today. Then weekend engagements with all that can be. So in future, I think if President Narendra Verma agrees with me, we may have such program on the working day so that the participation is the maximum at least. Because so whatever we do here across faculties, not only management, across faculties, one of the focus is the placements. And for placements, the learning, the grooming, the skills, the communication, I think metacognition comes as a handy tool to put the people on a right track. So with this, I think I thank the team and Mr. Mehta. Thank you all.